And we are here at IAMPL facility, and we are happy to say we are handing over the trophy which I accepted on behalf of Mr. Seenivasan. Samurai Awards 2024 Shogun Samurai, that's leadership award. Thank you, Seeni. This is your certificate which I accepted, and this is the trophy. Thank you for participating and supporting Miss Mix Media. And would you like to say something, Seeni?
Thank you, Dinesh. Thank you so much for coming over here and taking time to hand it over to me. Much appreciated. Thank you, Mix Media, for the Samurai Awards, your fourth edition,
Fifth.
fifth edition. I've been following this for the last few years, and thank you so much. And I was astonished by the kind of participation what you had, and I saw the postings in LinkedIn over the last few days after the ceremony. You guys have done a fabulous job, and I'm proud and kind of honored, and with all modesty, I accept the award. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sini. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our Shogun Samurai 2024 manufacturing in large category, Mr. Seenivasan Balasubramanian, CEO IAMPL. Thanks, Sini, and looking forward to see you soon, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks, Sini.